A block which is prefixed by the static keyword, it's called a static block, and it always executed. It executes before the execution of main method begins. Yes, but when you try to initialize static variable with the help of static block, to initialize static variable with the help of static block, then that particular static block is called as static initializer block, also called as SIB. Yes, we have seen some programs also. Now, I'll create one program. Please observe it very carefully. I guess you guys have written all the notes. Yes. Where is it? Yeah. Till H7 we have written everything, and one program we have written, that is static this one. Fine. We'll write K2. Please have a look on the code. And yes, everyone, please listen it carefully. Monday class will be offline. Please don't open your laptop and sit offline. And very important topic I am starting, that is constructor on Monday. If you don't know constructor, entire Java concept will gone, because constructor depend on. If you don't know non-static member, then you are not able to understand OOPS concept. If you don't know OOPS concept, you can't understand collections. So your entire journey will got disturbed. Class timing will be same. 6. Same timing. 6 will be Monday. Later, we'll update you in the class, but that will be 6 p.m., not a.m. Don't come a.m. Come at 6 p.m. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. Yes. I will create. Is my screen visible to everyone? Okay. Now what I will do, I will take one static block. First, I will take one static variable. Please observe carefully. Static intake is equals to 10. This is my static block. I will take it there. That is my static block. And I am printing here system dot out say static block and I will say A is equals to 20, A is equals to 20 and system dot out dot println I'll print it. Then I'll put one static method in my program. I will give public static void as a demo. I will print. Screen is not visible. What you are seeing? Screen is visible. Now check. Not visible. What, you guys are today mad or something? Today is 11th of Feb. Still there is time. Not visible. Then how it is visible for so many people? Manjesh is saying visible. Okay, wait. What I'll do? I'll again disconnect and again I'll connect to the session. Let me check. Is it visible now? Yeah, fine. So I have taken one static variable, static block, and static method. So let me write it system dot out dot println. Let's say demo method. And here I'm saying that is what main method started. Then I call the demo method and then I will say system dot out dot println. Let's say main method. Method. So I have written one program and you can see I have used all the static member. Okay, so how to solve this kind of question? So to solve this kind of question, first we need to understand the loading process of a class. What we need to understand? We need to understand the loading process of a class, how the class static members will get loaded. Can you guys tell me what do you mean by static members? Can you guys tell me what do you mean by static members? What are all static members is there? Everyone, I want answer from each and everyone. Static variable, static block and static method is called as static member. So now we are discussing very important uh, process, that is the loading process of a class. The loading process of a class when it consists of which member? When it consists of static members. So I am discussing loading process of a class. By learning the loading process, we will get to know the output of this program. So I am writing here the loading process of a class. And that is very important to understand that how the class static members will get loaded. So first, what will happen? Class static area is created. What happened? Class static area is created. First, already I told you in one memory diagram that what is static area. That remember that one diagram I have made in some last 2-3 days ago. Yes. So whenever the class will get load, first what will happen? Static area will get created. Okay. Then what it will do? The second step it will do is, please everyone observe this very carefully. If methods are present, then they will load. In the method area. There is one area called as method area. In that, methods will get loaded. Method body will get loaded. After that, what will happen? If static method are present, their reference will be stored in which area? Static area. First listen, then we'll solve it. Then if static variables are present, memory is allocated for them in the class static area and default value sign. After that, will get executed. If I talk in very rough language, then we can say that first static method, we'll say static variable loaded. Will get loaded, static variable get loaded first. Then static method will get loaded second. In which area? Area. Then static method will get loaded. So let's see, then we will try to understand this loading process one more time. So I'll make the memory interpretation for this particular thing. Please have a look on this one. So what will happen? First, class static area will get created. I'm making, please observe carefully. Class static area will be created. Yes, that is what the class static area. I will write it here. That is static area, where all the static variable will get, where all the static members will get loaded. First, it will start searching for static variable. Is there any static variable in your program? Yes, static variable is there. What it will do? It will load the static variable inside the class area, and first it will initialize with its default value. Then whatever the value you are assigning, that is, I'll cut this one and I'll paste 10. Okay, static variable get loaded. Is there any another static variable in the class? Is there another static variable in the class? There is no static variable in the class. After that, static variable get loaded. Then the second thing is static method will get loaded in which area? Static area. So how many static methods are there? one static method is there. That is what the demo method. Yes, is there is any another static method in the class except main? Don't consider this main method. Except that, is there is any another static method? No. So all the static method will get loaded. If more than one is there, more than one will get loaded. Once static variable and static method will get loaded, static block executed in top to bottom order. So first static block, you can see this is the static block. It will start get loaded, it will start executing. The first line is what? Static block. So what it will print on the output screen? I am writing here, it will print static block. This line executed successfully, then next line will start executing. That is A is equals to 20. Can I say this static block is a static initializer block? Can I say this is a SIB? Yes, because it is initializing the static variable. Okay, done. So which A will get loaded? Which A will get initialized? Is there is any local A? No. So which one? Global one. So that A will be initialized by the new value called as 20. It will get it by 20. And this will get cancelled. Next line is print A. Which A? Local or global? Global one. So it will print A. What is the global one? That is 20. So it will print what? 20. Okay, so first what will happen? Static variable get loaded, then methods will get loaded. After the method, block will get executed in top to bottom order. Once all these things will happen, then execution of main method will get started. So what is there in the main method? The first statement is main method started. So what will be there? That is main method started. Okay. What is the next line? The next line is method call statement. What method you are calling? Demo. Is there is any demo in the class? Yes. Look at here. This is demo. Control will go to the demo and it will execute the demo. What is in the demo? One printing statement. That is what? Demo method. It's done. After that, control again come back and it will execute this line. What is that? Main method and the program will get executed successfully. If you save this K2 program and if I execute it, okay, we will go with the K3. And yes, I'll compile it. So rcmd cd dot cd OneDrive, cd desktop, cd w, cd static, yes, Java C K3 dot Java. Java K3. You can check the output. That is what the output of the program. Understood, everyone? Understood? Okay, we will do lots of program, don't worry. But can you guys tell me first what will get loaded? If all the static member are present in the class, what first will get loaded? Static variable. Where it will get loaded? Everyone, where it will get loaded? Okay, once all the static variable get loaded, then next what will get loaded? Method only or static method? Main method, Avinash. Nilesh, please check your internet connection. Static method will get loaded. Okay. If two methods are there, then both will get loaded or only one will get loaded? First, all the static variables get loaded. Once all the static variable get loaded, then all the static methods start loading. In which area? Class area. Once all the static methods and variable get loaded, static block executed in top to bottom order. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood? Okay, if you understood, let's go for the next program. Let me create K4 and I will create static int A and here let me do the things properly. Int A is equals to uh, 10 system dot out dot println. I'll print A, I will say A20 and I will print system dot out dot println A line. Yes, everyone go with this program. Is my screen visible to everyone? Yes, go step by step. Make proper diagram. If you not make diagram means there is chance of mistake. I'm giving you 2 3 minutes. Please go through that. Everyone. Okay, done everyone. Everyone done. So let me execute the program. I will save it by the name K4. and I'll compile the program. Java C K4 dot Java. You can see my program is compiled successfully. I'll take K4 and this is what my output. Yes, how many of you are correct? Please write R in the chat section. How many of you are incorrect? Please write W in the chat section. Okay, now try to understand everyone. I'll explain it one more time. Okay, first you will take the screenshot of this one, the last program. Entire screen you can take the screenshot. Responsible people, take the screenshot of this one. Done. Okay, now we will try to trace this K4. So again, what I will do, I will go with this one. Yes. Okay, so when you compile the class, what will happen? Class area will get be created, class static area will be created. This is the class static area. I'll write it here. Okay, that is static area, also called as class static area. First, you tell me what will get loaded. All the static members are present. What will get loaded? Static variable get loaded and initialized with its default value. How many static variable are there? First, I will check A. So I make A and I will initialize with its default value, that is 0. Yes, for the integer default value is there. After that I will check, is there is another static variable? No. Another static variable? No. Another static variable? No. All the static variable get loaded, then static method start loading. Is there is any static method in the class? No. Leave main method, don't count main method. We are talking about your programmer created static method. Is it there? No. If static methods are there, it will get loaded in which area? It will get loaded in the static area. Once static method and static variable get loaded, then static block will execute in which order? Top to bottom order. So first static block will start executing. So let me make, so what is that? Okay, so first static block will be there. This This is first static block. First static block start executing. What is there in the first static block? You can see first statement is int a is equals to 10. What is that? Local or global variable? It is a local variable. I am making here. It is what? Local variable. A is equals to 10 is local variable. After that, what is the next statement? System dot out dot println a. Which a? First, it will search. Is there is any local variable in the system? If there is any local variable, then it will print Okay. Is it audible now? What is the last thing you have heard? No, is it like that? Okay. So what I am saying is, first local variable is there. After that, what is the next line? System dot out dot println. You can check out here. What is the first line? System dot out dot println. Which A it will print? Local or global? It will print local one. What is local one? 10. So 10 will be the output. Next, third line is A is equals to 20. Which A, local or global? You can see local A is present. Look at here, local A is present. It will update the value of 10 to 20. Next line is print A. Again, which A? Local or global? Local one. What is that local? 20. It will get printed 20. Next line is system.out.println k4.a. K4.a means static variable. What is that static variable value? 0. So what will be the output till now is 0. That is what I am saying. You understood this one? First static block will get executed. Now second static block will start execution. Where is second static block? This is the second static block. That is the second static block. First static block executed. Second static block is what it is printing. First it is printing static block 2. So it will print static block 2. After that, what is the next line? It is printing A. Now in which A? Local. Is there is any local A? No. Then which A? Global one. What is that? 0. So it will print 0 on the output screen. So it will print 0 on the output screen. Yes, after that what will happen? Main method begins. Main method executed, loading process complete. What main method will print? Main method. That is the output of that particular program. Understood everyone? This one? Yes, is it clear to everyone? So can you guys tell me first what will get loaded? Static variable or method? Variable. Okay, yeah, listen everyone. Is it visible now? Yeah, maybe this is a problem of internet or that LAN cable. I don't know, but I guess that is the problem of the LAN cable. That is the reason every time it gets disconnected. So I have just removed the LAN and I have connected to my internet, but that's okay. Yeah. So you understood this concept. It's very easy, yes or no? Voice is breaking. No, no. It's check your internet connection, Aishwarya. Not every time is my fault. I'm getting 35 Mbps. Okay. Understood, everyone? Please take a screenshot of this one. Whenever you write program, draw this diagram also. Responsible people, please take the screenshot. Done. Whatever the screenshot you are taking, once you write the program, please make the diagram of each and every program which we are doing. Okay. Now we'll do some more programs. I hope you'll understand this one. Yes, is it clear to everyone? So, if you understood this one, I will write one more static void main. Yes, please go and try to get the output of this program. Go step by step, you will get the answer. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Everyone do that properly. Yes, what will be the output of this program? Let's compile this program. I will save it by the name K5 and we will open the command prompt Java C K5 dot Java. Semicolon it is. Why 0? Other people, please check your answer. Why 0? Is there is any local variable called as a? Then why you are giving answer 0, Tushar, Mahesh? Why it is 0? Think one more time and tell me, is it 0? Everyone, think and tell me properly, honestly, is it 0? Then what you are thinking? Okay, listen, we'll do the tracing of this program one more time. Everyone, be careful. Don't do this kind of thing. Wrong. Yes, I'll do the tracing of K5. So when you compile the program, static area will be created. And in the static area, first static variable get loaded. Listen my words very carefully. Get loaded and initialize with its default value. And initialize with its default value. Once all the static variable get loaded, then static method start loading, not executing. Static method start loading. Only load will happen. Text get loaded, that's it done. Not executed. Once static variable get executed, a static variable get loaded, all the static variable get loaded, then static method will load. Once all the static method will get load, then static block executed in top to bottom order. So there is only one static block. What it will print? It will print static block. Yes, it will print static block. After that, everything will done. Then main method start executing. What is in the main method? The first statement is method call statement. That is what calling which method? Text method. Text method come into picture. Compiler will start searching for this method signature. Compiler will get the method signature. It will start executing line by line. What it will do? I will write it here only. First line. What is the first line? Look at the first line of this code. A is equals to 20. Which A? Is there is any local A? Tell me, is there is any local A? No. Which A is talking about? He is talking about this A. So what he will do? He will make this A from 0 and updated the value to 20. Updated the value to 20. This one will not be the current value. Okay, after that, what is the next statement? Next statement is print A. Which A? Local or global? Which A? Tell me, local or global? Is there is any local A in the text method? Other people reply fast. Is there is any global local? Is there is any local variable in the test method? No. So which one it will do? For the global one, which means again to start pointing to this global one. What is that value of A? 20. What will get printed? 20 will get printed in the output screen. Next line, very carefully. What is that? System.out.println K5.a. Directly it is indicating to which A? Global A. That it will print 20 and that will be the output of the program. Yes, understood. Please take screenshot of this one. Please take screenshot of this one. Is it done? Okay, you can see what I'm doing. I am initializing my static variable from the method. Variable from the method. If I initialize from the static block, it is called as static initializer block. From method also, I can initialize my static variable. Understood? Are you guys getting everyone? If you are getting, go for one more program. Okay, everyone, please go through this program and tell me the output. I will not trace this program, I'm telling you. Already I have traced 5 programs. This is for you. Please tell me the correct answer of this program. I am giving you 5 more minutes to solve the program neatly. Go step by step, you will get the answer easily. Okay, let me compile the program to see how many of you are correct. So I'll compile the program. Mm, yeah. Java C basics dot Java. Okay, I have to save this program first by the name K6 and yeah, I have to compile it one more time. Okay, I'll execute the program Java K6. How many of you got this answer? Please write C in the chat section. How many of your answer is incorrect? Please write W in the chat section. Okay, I have one more question. My question is that what is this demo method will execute? Tell me, is the demo method will execute? No. Is demo method execute? No. Is demo method get loaded into the memory? Is demo method loaded into the memory? Yes, it will get load, but it will not execute. How a method will execute? Forgot, we have to call the method signature from the main method. Am I calling any demo in the main method? You have a look on line number 19 and 20. Am I calling any main method? Sorry, am I calling any demo method from main method? Then, which means this to instruction is not executing in my program. Are you guys clarity? Yes or no? Getting clarity? This demo method will not get executed at all. Those people whose answer is incorrect, I'm giving you one more minute. Please find out what is the problem. Go again one by one, step by step. First variable get loaded, then methods will get loaded, then block will get executed, then execution start from main method. Okay, Nandini, if demo method will get called, what you will do? Call demo method from your system. Here you have to write what? Demo. And demo method will get called. Compile and take the output. Yes, understood everyone? Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the loading process and in solving this kind of question where all the static members are present. Now, how this process will happen that I will tell you in the next session. I'll give you the quick review. First, what will happen if I talk very technically at the memory level? First, class area will be created, then methods will be loaded in method area and their address will be stored in the static area. After that, static variable get loaded inside the static area and initialized with its default value. Then static blocks will get executed in top to bottom order. And in the last JVM call string main method with the string argument. That is what I can say in a technical word. Can we call demo method from static block? Yes, that will do in the tomorrow session. Can we call demo method from the static block? Yes, that we will discuss tomorrow. I hope that you guys understood all these concepts properly. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. We'll see you tomorrow at same time. Don't forget, Monday class will be offline. Very, very important topic. That is, constructors will gonna start in that 6. In that Monday class from what is the time? 6 p.m. sharp. Got it? So please plan accordingly and come Pune as soon as possible. Don't play with your future. Yeah. That's fine, guys. Okay, bye bye. You can leave the session. We'll see you tomorrow. And yes, that responsible people, please share the screenshot in the group.